How to contact suppliers on Cj Dropshipping. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So I went and I contacted the support team about this question, and I said, "Hi, I have some questions. How can I contact the suppliers?" And they replied, she said, "Hi friend, sorry friend, since it's nighttime shift, the suppliers does not work now. So you cannot contact them during nighttime. You can only contact them during the day work time." She also said your agent also can chat with the supplier for you in daytime in China. You can just click contact the supplier on the product page. If the supplier is online, the supplier will reply you directly. If not, your agent will check for you. So if you can contact the supplier using from the product page, but if the supplier does not reply to you or it took too long, as she said, if he's online, he will reply directly, but if he is not, it might take some time for him to reply to you. You can contact your agent, which Cj Dropshipping provide for you, and you can from then your agent can contact the supplier and check for you and get everything done, so you don't have to do all of the work. He will do the work for you. She said agent working time is Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. +8 Greenwich time, Beijing, China. So this is the time that you can contact your agent. Other than that, he will not reply because he'll be out of his shift. So that is it for this video. That's how you can contact and reach out to suppliers in Cj Dropshipping. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.